Hi Sangeeta.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I just want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, can you just say about yourself and about your native?
Yes, ma'am. I am Sangeeta from Raichur district. I am graduated from Basaveshwara Engineering College
How you got to know about CMTI?
by my friend reference, ma'am.
Okay, fine, that's good. What you have learned in CMTI?
I joined interior designing course, ma'am, for 3 months, and in that I learned about first few days I learned about construction, and then we shifted to interior designing separate class, ma'am. In that I learned about interior standards and I visited so many sites. I got much knowledge in that.
Okay, how was your site visits?
I learned so many things from site also.
Okay, how was your software trainings held?
Yes, ma'am. I learned AutoCAD 2D, 3D, and SketchUp and Cutlass software, ma'am.
Okay, how was the trainers with you? How they supported you out?
They are very friendly, ma'am, and they gave assignments and they are very useful to us. We have completed all that assignments.
Okay, how Ashok sir helped you out in interviews or taking? How was his guidance towards your side? Okay, how it helped you out the app CMTI app?
It's good only, ma'am. CMTI app is very helpful to crack the interviews and classes. All lessons are uploaded in that app, ma'am. Just it is helpful for cracking interviews videos, ma'am.
Okay, can you say about your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI?
Before joining CMTI, it is increased, ma'am, so much after joining CMTI to get a job.
Okay, I hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your juniors and friends?
Take 2 months course and do 1 month internship is better for next juniors, ma'am. Taking 1 month
Okay,
internship.
yeah, thank you, Sangeeta, for your feedback.
Okay, ma'am.
Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much.